This might be the type of triangle firecrackers you know, but we have different ones here in the Philippines. This is a 5-star triangle, and they are sold by cubes like this one. They can carry to about 5 to 10 grams of flash powder. This is a super low triangle. They are a bit larger than the other one. They are also sold by cubes like this. And this one is called plapla. They are sold by cubes like this. They can carry to about 20 to 30 grams of flash powder. This is Super Plapla or SPP, and they are packed like this. This one was packed using newspaper. They can carry to about 25 to 35 flash powder. This is the largest one I have. It is called King Kong. This is the best selling here in the Philippines, and they can carry to about 35 to 40 grams of flash powder.
Ayun na. Lakas.